For those who wish to reside in Australia permanently, obtaining a permanent residency visa is a necessary first step. However, candidates should be aware of the processing timeframe for these visas. Obtaining a PR or student visa for Australia might be time-consuming, especially if you don't know how long the application procedure would take. As of April 2024, a number of factors might influence how long it takes to obtain an Australia PR visa, including the specific visa subclass applied for and the applicant's personal circumstances. Processing times may fluctuate from time to time in 2024 due to shifting international conditions and immigration legislation. The goal of this video is to highlight the current processing timeframes and any contributing reasons for visa delays in April 2024, as it is essential to have up-to-date information on processing timelines. Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189. A Subclass 189 visa is available for skilled workers who are not sponsored by a company, state, territory, family member, or other entity. As of April 2024, processing times for this visa category range from 67 days to 14 months. It's crucial to keep in mind that these are estimates, and actual processing times may vary based on the amount of applications submitted and the complexity of each case. Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190. Applications for the Subclass 190 visa are open to skilled workers designated by state or territory governments. The processing time for this visa is similar to that of the Subclass 189 visa in that 50% of applications are presently handled in 11 months, while 90% of applications are now processed in 12 months after a complete application is submitted. The processing timeframes for the Subclass 189 visa may vary depending on a number of factors. Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186. The Subclass 186 visa allows skilled individuals nominated by an Australian company with permission to live and work permanently in Australia. As of April 2024, the processing period for this visa category under the direct entry option is estimated to be between 89 days and 10 months. This prolonged processing duration is usually caused by the involvement of an Australian employer and the additional procedures required in the nomination process. Skilled Regional Provisional Visa Subclass 191. With this visa, those with qualifying visas who have resided in a designated regional area for at least 3 years and who have also made the required income are able to live permanently in Australia. It takes 83 to 90 days, making it one of the fastest processing times as of April 5, 2024. Student Visa Subclass 500. You may remain in Australia for a maximum of 5 years with this visa if you're enrolled full-time in an educational program. The higher education sector's processing period now ranges from 25 to 68 days. The application procedure for this visa may occasionally be complicated, so knowing all the criteria before submitting an application will give you the best chance of having it accepted. Factors influencing processing time. Please be aware that a number of factors may affect how long it takes for Australian PR visa applications to be processed in 2024. Application volume, or the amount of applications that the Australian Department of Home Affairs receives, has an effect on how long it takes to process applications, particularly for popular visa categories. Processing timeframes may also be increased by holding back on the verification of supporting documentation, such as resumes, health test results, and educational certificates. In addition, the Australian government's goals, legislative modifications, and adjustments to immigration regulations may have an impact on the PR visa eligibility requirements and processing timelines. In 2024, managing the length of time it takes to process an Australia PR visa will involve knowing the requirements of each visa category, keeping up with any changes to the visa laws, and putting together a complete and correct application. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!